So let's move into some of the cases that we've seen in the past. So we've seen a lot of customers. One of them was a global biopharma company. It's active in more than 40 countries worldwide. It has a very big SAP landscape. They have an IGA in place for more than 5 years. I think it's even more than 10 years. But still, they have failed audit findings around feasibility in the identity space. So again, an IGA might be interesting, might provide a lot of data, a lot of reporting capabilities, but that doesn't mean that you'll be able to cover all the compliance requirements that you might have. And in this case, it was specific about SAP reporting, which in that case wasn't available out of the box on the IGA platform. And that resulted in some of those audit findings, which were not, where we were not able to get those done with the IGA platform only. And the second part was, again, that there were a lot of unconnected systems, especially when you start looking at unstructured data, because it's very hard to start managing something that hasn't been built to be structured anyway. If you start looking at file servers, if you start looking at SharePoint, Teams, OneDrive, those are systems that are built to not have a structure in there, to be shared with anyone, to have a permission status that changes every day, where you can basically in SharePoint can just say, I want to share this with that person. Imagine having a master system that wants to govern that solution. It will be saying all the time that there are permissions that are not approved or that shouldn't be there, just because of the nature of the unstructured data itself. So it's almost impossible to manage those solutions with an IGA platform because it's really built to manage structured data. So that's one example. If we go to the next, then we have two banks, two pretty big banks actually. One is a Fortune 500